What's up everybody, this is Mike and I hope you didn't find this intro sequence too long. My apologies if you did, but I had to create something different. When I visited this particular location, it was just amazing. Those rapeseed fields kind of forced my creativity and helped me a bit to set the tone of this video and tell a story a bit better. So hopefully you guys liked it. But anyway, I think it's about time to focus on today's topic, which is TapFly. If you're not aware, TapFly is an intelligent flight mode that the DJI Mavic Air has, and unfortunately it's a bit underrated. Not many people are using it, but it's kind of awesome, and I think more people should be aware what it does and how you can achieve some better shots by using TapFly. Let's check it out. So the first thing you need to know is how to activate TapFly. To do that, you simply need to go to the list of flight modes and select TapFly. Then you'll see 4 different sub-modes: forward, backward, free and coordinate. Each of those modes allows you to achieve a different result, so we'll go through all of them one by one. First, the forward TapFly option. When you select it, you'll see a small horizontal line on your screen showing you the line of the horizon. You have the option to tap on a point on the screen, and then the drone will fly forwards towards that point by also gaining or lowering its altitude depending on the point. So if you select a point that's over the line of the horizon, it will ascend to that height while flying, and vice versa. It will descend if you select a lower point. During all times you see a slider which indicates the speed of the drone, and you can change that as you wish at all times. When the drone is flying forwards, you can use the gimbal wheel and tilt the camera up and down. But if you push the yaw sticks and rotate the drone to the left or right, it will change the initial point to what the screen is currently looking at. This mode allows you to do some great revealing shots, as you don't have to operate both the sticks and the gimbal. You can simply take care of the gimbal and the drone will continuously fly in the direction you've chosen. The next option is basically the same but with backwards flying. One of my favorite revealing shots is the backwards flying reveal shot, and you can do some amazing things by using the backwards TapFly option. Once you select the point on the screen, the drone will fly backwards from it by also gaining or losing altitude in the process. Again, you have the freedom to operate the gimbal and change the speed at all times. Be aware that if you tap on a point that's above the horizon, the drone will descend from that position, and if you tap on a point under the horizon, it will ascend from that position, similarly to the drone quick shot. The third option is actually my favorite one, and it's called free. This is basically a CourseLock replacement, which was an intelligent flight mode which the Phantom series and the Mavic Pro both have, but the Mavic Air doesn't have. Anyway, by using this mode you can choose a direction which the drone will follow, but you can also operate both the yaw direction and the gimbal. So no matter which direction you turn your drone in, it will continue to follow its initial path that you've chosen, and you'll still be able to move or rotate its camera in every direction. This is extremely useful when you're trying to follow an object or you want to execute a very hard flying maneuver, something which is very difficult to do if you only use manual control of the sticks, and you'll need to be extremely precise. So this gives you a lot more freedom and helps achieve some very interesting shots. Be on the lookout for more TapFly free shots from me, as I'll be using it a lot in my upcoming drone footage. And the last TapFly option is called coordinate, and it allows you to fly to your chosen point at a constant altitude. So when the drone reaches the destination that you have chosen, it will just simply hover in place and wait for your next command. This is different from the other TapFly modes, as in the other modes the drone continues to fly until you stop it yourself. And there you have it guys, this has been my TapFly tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope you are now aware how you can achieve some better shots by using this intelligent flight mode. Personally, I'm really a big fan of this intelligent flight mode, and I'll be sure to use it a lot more in my future shots, because it's just so much easier to create something that otherwise would be very difficult if you go for completely manual control. That being said, please drop a like on this video if you have enjoyed today's topic. Comment below if you are using TapFly already or this was something new for you. Subscribe if you aren't already for plenty more drone related videos, and I'll catch you in my next one. Ciao!